Magical Fish and the Kind-Hearted Boy. In the small fishing village of Pearl Bay, a kind-hearted boy named Omar loved the ocean. He would sit by the shore, watching the waves dance under the golden sun. One day, while fishing with his grandfather, he caught a shimmering golden fish, unlike anything he had ever seen. "Please let me go," the fish spoke in a soft, magical voice. "I am the guardian of the ocean, and if you help me, I will grant you a wish." Omar was amazed, but instead of making a wish, he smiled and said, "You are a beautiful creature. You belong to the sea, not in a net." He gently released the fish back into the water. The magical fish twirled joyfully and said, "Because of your kindness, I will give you something special." It flicked its tail, and suddenly Omar could understand the language of the sea. He could hear the whispers of the waves, the songs of the dolphins, and the secrets of the deep. From that day on, Omar used his gift to help the sea creatures. He guided lost turtles back home, warned the fishermen to avoid harming baby fish, and kept the ocean clean. The villagers noticed how the sea became richer with fish and pearls, and they all lived happily, respecting nature. One evening, as Omar stood by the shore, he saw the golden fish once more. It shimmered under the moonlight and whispered, "The ocean remembers kindness, and so do I. Whenever you need me, just call upon the waves." And with that, the magical fish disappeared into the endless blue. Moral of the story: kindness always brings unexpected rewards, and nature gives back to those who respect it.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye.